Hello and welcome to your English news broadcast live on ERi-TV. It's exactly 10:30 p.m. on Eritrea's local time from our headquarters at Asmara with your domestic and international news in brief. I'm Zahra Badouri, but your news in brief for this hour holds. Workshop on reducing environmental pollution. Youth empowerment activity in southern region. Russia and South Korea agreed to boost educational ties. Democratic Republic of Congo, dozens dead at a boat capsized in Lake Tumba. Welcome to your domestic in brief. A workshop aimed at addressing health problems affecting humans and livestock, as well as environmental pollution caused by unsafe waste management and plastic uses, was conducted on 13th June in Baran to Gashbarka region. Mr. Abu Bakr Usman, Director General of Agriculture and Land in the region, stated that although directives have been issued at the national level to mitigate the impact of plastic use on the environment, plastic products are still widely used by the public. He noted that the workshop aimed to review the measure taken so far and to discuss further actions needed to ensure environmental safety. Mr. Abraha Gabra Malach, head of the agricultural branch, provided an extensive briefing on environmental resources, their benefits, and the challenges related to solid and liquid waste management. He highlighted that the coordinated efforts in areas such as Tesane and Agordat, where administrations and communities are working together to eliminate hazardous waste, including plastic. He stressed that the need to implement the existing national guidelines. Ambassador Mahmoud Ali Hurui, governor of the region, emphasized that environmental pollution caused by plastic is becoming increasingly alarming. He called for the establishment of the committee involving all administrations and relevant institutions to assess current waste management practices and plastic use, and to process concerned measurements for improvement. Participants conducted extensive discussion on the issue raised during the workshop and adopted various recommendations to this matter. The National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students branch in the southern region organized an assessment meeting on 12th June in Duwaruba to review activities aimed at youth empowerment in the region. It was reported at the meeting that training programs and youth organizations week have been part of the ongoing efforts. Over the past 6 months, however, vocational training was provided to 1,116 youth across the region. The report also stated that the Indemso Award was presented to 517 outstanding students who achieved high scores in the 8th grade national examination, while the Denden Award was granted to 268 students who excelled in the national school leaving examination. Mr. Girmay Gabru, head of the union branch in the region, gave a briefing on the programs implemented at the administrative level, including the achievements recorded and challenges encountered, stressing that no effective achievements can be realized without a strong organization. Mr. Froen Geltachlahaimanot, administrator of Dubaroa subzone, expressed the subzonal administration's commitment to working alongside the union in all its endeavors. Your Global up next. Stay tuned for more. And on your international line, Russia and North Korea have signed an agreement to deepen cooperation in education, including the launch of language center in both countries. Russian Education Ministry Sergei Garvatov and North Korean Education Minister Kim Song-ju formalized the deal on the sidelines of the Third International Forum of Ministers and Education, shaping the future in Kazan on Wednesday. Under the agreement, Moscow will help establish a Russian language and general education center in Pyongyang, and a Korean language center will be set up in Russia. Further reports say that Russian became a mandatory subject in North Korean schools starting from the further 4th grade in the year 2024. More than 100 North Korean teachers completed a Russian refresher course that year, hosted by the Bolshevist State Pedagogical University. However, bilateral ties between Russia and North Korea have expanded in recent years, and including political, military, and economic engagements. The forum, however, brought together officials from over 30 countries. Russian President Vladimir Putin addressed the event via video, urging stronger global cooperation in education. On your final report, a boat sinking in the Democratic Republic of Congo's northwestern Equator province left at least 32 people dead, local media reporters said. Dozens are missing and a rescue operation is underway. Territorial Administrator Justin Puto told a local media that the boat was carrying goods and people on Lake Tumba in Boktoro territory. Congo's rivers and lakes are a major means of transport for its more than 100 million people. In remote areas where infrastructure is poor and non-existent, traveling by boat across lake is a regular occurrence. But deadly boat accidents have become common, often due to poor vessels, maintenance, overloading of the vessels, and extreme weather. Bokiro Lake Commissioner Gabriel Bonglomba told Reuters that rescue efforts were ongoing, but added that responders faced challenges due to a lack of essential equipment, including life jackets and boats. What may have really caused the boat to sink remains under investigation. Dear viewers, that is all for now with your domestic and international news in brief. Until we are back with some more news, stay and enjoy the rest of our programs here on ERi-TV. But until then, this is a review of your today's major headlines. Workshop on rescuing environmental pollution. Youth empowerment activity in the southern region. Moscow and Pyongyang agree to boost educational ties. The Democratic Republic of Congo, dozens dead at a boat sinking in Lake Tumba. That is all for now. Bye-bye for now. Thanks for watching.